Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to know your Trust Wallet ID. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Trust Wallet on a device and log in. Here, tap any crypto you want. I am going to select Binance or BNB. After you tap the crypto, tap Receive. A QR code will appear. This is your Trust Wallet ID for Binance. You can repeat the same process for every crypto. So that's how you know your Trust Wallet ID. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.